in New York City. Hey, Rod, who's driving? It's okay. It's on cruise control. Cruise control just regulates speed. It doesn't steer. He says we're all gonna die.
Workout, CrossFit. Post for calendars. What are you talking about? We should do that. I'm not posting for any calendar. No towels? See that guy? Yeah. All day. Seriously, we gotta go. Let's go. We'll talk on this. Come see you back. Why? Monday. You coming? Oh, yeah, I forgot my bullets. I'll meet you guys there, okay? Let's look at their bullets. Monday. Bobby, you didn't even make the ride to the hospital. You got a real knack for making it worse, you know that? Oh my God, stop already! Can't get away from yourself, I swear to God! Keep it back! NYPD! Have a nice day. Hey! Oh, hey, there you are. Hey there. Forrest J. Ackerman, Internal Revenue Service, Wire Fraud Investigation Unit.
Yes?
Now, young lady, you realize this system of money transfer you're participating in circumvents about 18 different United States banking regulations?
I'm not sure I understand.
Oh, relax.
It's not you that's facing jail time. At least I don't think so. These Hawala guards are known to prey on unsuspecting illegal immigrants.
I'm not illegal.
We don't have to get into that.
I have a student visa.
With you?
At home?
Oh, see, it's supposed to be with you at all times. Yeah, you leave it at home, that's a good way to get yourself deported. But we don't have to go down to immigration and talk about that now. That's totally unnecessary. We need to settle it right here. I just need to see the envelope of the Hawala. What did you do?
Oh, thanks. Excuse me. That's what you got. That envelope you just picked up, I'm gonna have to ask for that back.
What are you doing here?
What is up with you?
Nothing.
Well, that doesn't look like nothing.
It's my problem. It's personal.
Did that cop find you?
You saw him? What did you tell him?
He said there was some people planning to rob you and he was trying to stop it. He wanted to help you.
Please, he helped me very much.
What's going on?
My friend, we're not friends.
Yes, we are.
I told you one thing and you always ruin it all. I'll take care of myself.
Nima, you gotta start trusting somebody. Please, tell me. What's going on?
Riley, what are you doing here?
Nima.
You can't have delivered already. It's not
You know what is
possible.
really uncool that a messenger service deliver your illegal bullshit?
Where is my envelope?
Enough up there.
Where is it?
Give it back to the front desk.
The messenger just combined up off an envelope.
Yeah, and another one just came and picked it up.
Who told them to change the address?
Hey. You get your envelope back? Someone else come pick it up?
But it's going to the wrong place.
What? What?
Why do you care?
So what was that thing I was carrying?
It's like a receipt for a great deal of money.
What's the money for?
A shadow, a snakehead.
What's that?
It's a kind of imported herb.
Right, so you're, involved in some kind of drug thing.
No,
What are you importing?
my son. I came to this country on a student visa. He was to come right after me. It is not illegal. He can travel on my visa. As in an article I wrote about Tibet a long time ago, it was posted on the internet. For the past years, they have not let him leave China. So I have to get him out another way. Because I will have my son.
Why'd you have to go and ask for me? Huh?
Vanessa always said you are the best at what you do. She says maybe she would never count on you, but at work, there's no.
She said that.